Hello and how are you? My name is Mohindo Mubarak and I'm going to be your tutor in this second video of creating web applications. So today we're going to look at HTML editors. A HTML editor is a program that is specially designed for coding HTML and possibly CSS or other variety of programming languages. So in simple terms, HTML editor or HTML text editor is a simple program or software that is designed just to help us when writing our HTML. So it includes features like streamlining our coding workflow, and here is a list of existing popular HTML editors. The first one is Brackets, Atom, Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text 3, Notepad, Vim, and Komodo Edit. There are so many other HTML editors that you can find there. So what you do, you can just simply go and search on on Google and find out, or any search engine, and find out other existing HTML editors. But for us, we'll specialize in Visual Studio, this third one. This third one, and it's what we'll be using to create our HTML code. It's the one that you're going to use in this course. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how we do how we install the Visual Studio Code and we start implementing the HTML markup language. So I hope you're not missing that video. So let's meet there.